Today we'll help you access the audio effects tool in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you want to add the access. Assuming you have a video clip with audio. Click select or highlight your video clip. Down and scroll to the right. You see the option audio effects. Here you have a couple different options of voice filters. Voices. Choose a list of these free Capcut Mobile audio effects. Happy or satisfied, click the check mark. This is the before. This is the after.